G'day YouTube, look at this awesome clear blue sky here in Adelaide, South Australia. There's absolutely no clouds in it. Sorry about the power lines and stuff like that. But yeah, so today I am going to the phone repair place again because I was here yesterday and they did a fantastic job with the phone that I'm recording on now, but I'm going in to get the battery replaced on my Samsung A11, and it's a phone I don't recommend. It's just, the camera quality is crap, it's just awful. But because I'm transitioning between the two phones, I need the battery on this one to be working, and I came in yesterday to see if they could fix or swap the battery over, and they said, oh well, we don't have it in stock, but we'll order it in and it should be here by 3:30. Okay, no worries at all. And I was asked if I wanted to pay for it then and there or just wait, and I decided to pay for it then. And so I go into the city and come back about 3:30, and because she told me that they'd ring me when it came in for me to come back and get the battery swapped over, excuse me, and she didn't ring me. And then she tells me right there in the store that the delivery guy didn't turn up. And now in my culture, I would have been on the phone straight away to the delivery people and say, well, what's going on? I would have been asking questions instead of sitting there watching YouTube videos on my phone, right? And when I went and got this particular phone fixed with a different staff member, he was fantastic. He didn't ring me either, but I was just hovering around the shopping centre, so it didn't matter too much. But customer service is really, really important, right? And one of those things is to let your customers and clients know when something's gone wrong immediately, right? So they can make other plans and other arrangements. So today I'm coming in to find out what the situation is, because I'm not going to sit around all day waiting for a phone call that may never happen, right? You've got to take the initiative, and I've got the receipt. I took a photo of it for my own records, right? And I'm going to get a complete refund, including the FPOS charges and things like that they stung me with. They can lose money if they are not prepared to do what they're advertising, and that is to repair phones and electronics and stuff like that. Now normally the service is pretty good, normally they'll have stuff. I get it, I'm patient and I'm prepared to wait to a certain degree, but I'm annoyed that there's just like a lack of action. I've got to work this afternoon and I'll be out at Gawler, so I'm going to be like on the train for nearly an hour or so, and no, about 45 minutes, but it'll take me 10 minutes to walk there and all that sort of stuff to the location. So I have to be mindful of the time, and it's been 24 hours since I ordered the phone battery to be replaced. So yeah, I'm not particularly happy, and I'll keep this short, but I just want to say, stand up for your rights, be assertive but not aggressive, just nice and polite, just quickly, quietly ask questions and know your rights and things like that. Courtesy and respect do go a long way, and keep your customers and clients informed every step of the way. It makes a huge difference. Anyway, I'll let you know what happens. So the latest with the phone is that it's now sitting in the store. The woman that I spoke to yesterday turned out to be the boss, and I spoke to the guy that fixed this phone, and he's a nice guy, good customer service. And it turns out there was another guy waiting for the boss to turn up at 12, and she hadn't yet. And then he told me that she was coming in at 12 today, 12:30 today. So I go there at 12:45. She's still not there. And then she said that she'd be there at 1 o'clock. And there was all sorts of excuses given and stuff like that. It's just like, if you're running a company, you need to delegate tasks to other people. If you're the only person that can fix the phones there, then you need to be there. I get it that looking after kids and daycare and stuff like that, it's difficult to manage and stuff. It's unprofessional. I've had to wait over 24 hours to get a phone fixed, a phone that I rely on to receive calls. The phone's not on me. Thankfully, hardly anybody rings me, but those that do are sort of scam calls or relatives. There's a joke there about them being both the same, but no, they're not. I love my relatives. But yeah, it's annoying. It's annoying, and I'll let you know how it goes later in the afternoon. Okay, this is just a bit of a final update on the battery replacement saga. I got told that they did the work. I had to remind them to fill out the paperwork. Crazy stuff. But my phone is charging properly now. It's still draining power very quickly. So I'm not sure 100% whether they've actually done the job, because when I picked up the phone, when I dropped off the phone, it was at 44% power, right? That's the old battery, didn't care. My expectation was that when the battery would be replaced, that the new battery would be on 100%. When I looked at the phone, it was on 40%, so it had dropped 4% with the new battery, right? Now, to be fair, the battery is charging to up and around the high 90s at the moment, so I'm not too fussed about that. And I've switched to a different cable, which hopefully that was an issue as well, that's addressed. But yeah, I'm still not trusting the whole thing. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.